Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for July 14th to 28th. Before we get into the forecast, this is this is a 7-day precipitation that's been observed across this area, and some of this has the precipitation from Faye, and this is like where the highest rainfall amounts have occurred. Through this area down in here where torrential rains have covered the area, and then we'll go to today, and this is where the highest precipitation. This is the last 24 hours, and then it stretches into northern New England with lesser amounts, but this is overall where the heaviest precipitation has occurred. Okay, we're going to talk about the period for July 14th to the 18th. And what you can see is that the trough gradually lifts out, and the main story now will be the heat. And we come to the 18th, and you see what I'm talking about here. We have a zone of flow across the northern states, strong ridge here across southern Rockies, southern plains. This will gradually spread eastward with time. Now we're going to look at the European weeklies. This is for the same time period. Still has a very strong 594 DM ridge here, a little bit of a trough here. I don't buy that. It's possible, but I think overall we're expecting above normal heights across much of the nation. So above normal temperatures are forecast from the southwest and from the Rockies to the east coast, with the anomalies of 12 degrees or more above normal are possible. And during this period, we will have a cold front that will be moving through right here, through the to the upper Midwest and the Rockies Tuesday and Wednesday, and this will bring showers and storms with locally heavy rainfall. So above normal precipitation forecast here. I don't know about this here, below normal. I think it could be below normal here across the southern states, but across here we will have periodic thunderstorms moving across this area. Some could be heavy, so I think this above normal precipitation here could extend further south. And then we'll have unsettled weather conditions continuing along and south of the frontal boundary. As you can see right here, across this area, into the southern plains and the Midwest. I'm going to look now at the period for July 19th to 23rd, and the pattern doesn't change very much. You can see we still have nearly a zone of flow here, above normal heights, an expansive ridge covering much of the southern states with above normal heights. So the models are good agreement as we look at the various models here. So I'm forecasting for this forecast period above normal temperatures for much of the nation, with the anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal for this region. And we'll take a look at the European forecast. This is let me back up. Alright, this is for the 23rd. You can see it has below normal temperatures here, but still above normal temperatures for much of the nation here. That's this European weeklies. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence is near 40%, and then below normal precipitation is forecast for the southern Rockies, and for this region here, the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Looking ahead for the period for July 24th to 28th. Again, the pattern remains the same. Zone of flow here. This is the westerlies. Broad ridge across much of the nation here. And then we'll take a look at the weeklies for the same period. This will be for like the 28th, okay, 27th. Now it's more in line here. Has a 594 DM ridge. This is the weeklies here with the center of the height anomalies across us here. And then we'll take a look at the temperature forecast. Now it's more in line with everything else. Above normal temperatures for much of the nation. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation. And with the anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees, generally across much of the nation, but there could be a few higher amounts of 18 degrees above normal or more across portions of the Rockies. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the anything else I wanted to show? No, that's about it. Okay, that's the long range weather forecast discussion from July 14th to 28th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.